Hello and welcome back to Vineleafstudio. I hit 100 subscribers this week, so as I've promised, I'm going to give away a titanium ring. It'll be made to your specifications and nicely packaged up, and I'll even pay the postage. There you go. You can have whatever shape you want. I can do domed, flat, or even ribbed for your pleasure. So all you need to do, you need to be a subscriber. New subscribers as well, if you want to subscribe, do so. Then I need you to like the video, and then in the comment section say you've liked it, you'd like to win. I'll run the competition to the 14th of August. I'll do a draw then, and get in touch with the winner to let them see what their choices are, etc. So I'd like to say thanks again for watching me. I'm enjoying what I'm doing, so I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to say bye for now and good luck.